How to change lock screen toggles on iPhone. Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your lock screen toggles on iPhone running iOS 18. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and let's get started. Now first, keep in mind this feature is only available on iOS 18. If you're still using iOS 17 or anything older, it's not going to work. So make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 18. The cool thing is, this works on all iPhone models that support iOS 18, not just the newer ones. All right, from your lock screen, simply long press anywhere on the screen for a few seconds. You'll see the Customize option at the bottom. Go ahead and tap on it. Next, look at the flashlight and camera icons at the bottom corners of your screen. You'll notice a small minus icon on them. Just tap that minus to remove the toggle you don't want. Once you remove one or both toggles, a plus icon will appear. Tap that, and now you'll see a full list of new toggles you can add. You can add things like Alarm, Shazam for quick music recognition, Notes, Silent Mode, and even home controls if you use smart devices. Just pick the one you want, and it'll instantly appear on your lock screen. So yeah, that's how you can change your lock screen toggles on iPhone with iOS 18. That's all for the video.